The rear half bathroom, the can is kind of loose and old and has a different light design, and we've seen wasps come through it. In the front dining area, you already looked at this. That's the wire that I cut, and that trim is just up there to plug the hole. I like to replace the whole can if necessary, unless that can be wired up as is. In the master bath, I've got these 3 lights, and when you open up the light, there's like a gold can behind it. Here you can see the gold can. I don't know if that's just a piece of trim that's inside a standard can or if it's part of the can. Next we have over by the fireplace, there's this old socket looking ball and socket style, and I just want to replace that if I can, or if it's possible, just put in one of the small LED trims. As you start going up the stairway, you've got this old loose can that also has that ball and socket style that I want to swap out, replace, or if I have to, just plug it. Then at the top of the stairs, I've got these 3 lights. They have that old gold trim in it. They work fine, so maybe give me a recommendation on that, if I have to replace the whole can or if I can just put an LED trim. And also up at the top of the stairway, I don't know what this switch does. Maybe it's to that light down there that I showed in the previous section. But maybe figure out what that is, and please, and maybe it gets fixed by swapping out the light. And you probably saw this when you were over here earlier, but this is a supply of, I've got 1 more of these big LED trims, and then like 3 of the smaller LED trims over there. And I think that's all I have. The only other LED trim that I have is that one that I stuck up here just as a filler.